again everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Adele the Explorer. In this video, I will show you around the two fabulous waterfalls in Muskoka, Ontario, Canada. I will give you tips on how to get in the trails, parking, and viewing. Wilson Falls and Bracebridge Falls are highly recommended, so enjoy! To access Wilson Falls, you just need to hike a little bit to the nearby trail. Located just to the north of downtown area, off of River Road, outskirts of Bracebridge. There is a free parking lot close by, then walk few minutes that leads you to an amazing view of the falls. So if you want to take a scenic route, make sure you bring your hiking shoes. Wilson Falls is an excellent destination for photographers. You can often see birds here, as well as it is a part of Trans-Canada Trail. We had an awesome experience exploring the water. The weather was perfect, and the scenery was just magnificent. It was splendid to go through the woods, fun to walk around in the forest, and be able to get out on some granite formation. Very easy hike in and out. It is worth the stop if you are into the majestic river. I hope you enjoy the pictures and videos of ours, and someday you get a chance to visit the waterfalls. Bracebridge Falls is located right in the heart of downtown. The Silver Bridge and the falls is a trademark site of the town. At nighttime, the falls on the bridge light up with a stunning mixed colors. Bracebridge is a town of the Muskoka District Municipality in Ontario, Canada. The town was built around the Waterfalls of Muskoka River, and it was incorporated in 1875. This is also known as the heart of Muskoka. Bracebridge offers a fabulous trails leading to the stunning views of a big-time waterfalls. Bracebridge is at a confluence, great for fresh air family outings, birdings, and revealing the spectacular autumn colors. Bracebridge Falls is the last drop of the north branch of the Muskoka River before it joins to the south branch, which is some of the water spills over the natural rock face. A lovely spot to go for a nice walk and enjoy the beauty of these waterfalls. If you are just new and visiting on my channel, please thumbs up. Thank you.